Thousands of targeted YouTube mail you can find easily and totally free, and you don't need to spend any money. This mail help you to get high paying client. So in this video I will show you that how you can generate these types of lead and how you can send them, and everything I will discuss about it. So I'm the founder and CEO of Fame Media, and if you running a good channel or if you trying to run a faceless channel, then I can help you. So link in the description, you can easily come famemedias.com and just tap on consult now and you can book a free call with me. So let's get started. This channelcrawl.com. So what's this? This is the URL. So after, when you will come this website, so you can just sign up and log in this website, and the main thing is there. So you need to apply a trick, and I will show you that how you will just filter this, how you will get targeted audience. So just tap on category. I think you should just one category step by step, right? So just I am typing on how to and style, and then language is English, and I'm just providing one country, that is United States, and I'm starting on 500 to 1000, and the total video is minimum 20, and creation dot I don't need it. So after, when I will search it, I will find a good amount of YouTube channel. So this is all the channel we are already filtering, and we need to just open every channel on new tab. So you can just open 10-20 channel in a new tab, and what you will do after, you just see the video, recent video. This is 5 hours ago, so this is active channel. You can just go on here and you will see the about section, they have any mail or not. So this channel don't have any mail, so I just, and this is another, and this is active channel also, and this is also not have any YouTube mail, so no problem. So I'm just opening many more channel. You need to spend 2 or 3 hours per day, then you can generate 100 of mail every day. So 11 months ago, so I'm just going. So this is some active, you can just go here. This is also don't have any mail, so we are just going another, don't have mail.
It is Evelyn here, and welcome to Evelyn Colors. On this channel, well, I color, of course.
So see that, so they have YouTube mail. Just tap on submit, and this is your mail. So in this way you need to collect this mail. So you can go second page because this is free account, and if you want to pay this site, and you can generate thousands of results per day. So this is paid version, you can use if you have investment. And what you can do, because you will get only some results from one page, so don't worry, just you need to back on the first page, you can reload this, and you need to tap again, just change the category section. When this filter will finish, then you need to change the country, like United Kingdom. When this countries is finished, you need to just tap on the subscriber button, like 1000 to 2000. In this way you can get unlimited mail, right? So this is very effective way to find targeted mail from YouTube. And if you learn anything from this channel, you can easily subscribe this channel, and please like and comment me that I will make another video on this channel crawl website or not. So thank you very much.